Good evening in our news bulletin for tonight. Gwamna Keniwege utakehe e tau tanga pepa plastiki. Niue plans to phase out single-use plastic bags. Whakahoho he te whānau aonga tokolunga ke kalokehe mai he tau hani whahemu mai eke whakalea tangata. Social Studies students campaign against bullying. Taham dako ni ko whenonga mai pawaki ke lata mai tapu pauluanga whakapiritania koe geocaching. Niue attracts a group who are part of a worldwide treasure hunt known as geocaching. Kua minake niwe ke utakehe ai e tau tanga pepa plastiki, me tukutuku hepo e tau wewe he motu. Kisia ke whola tau motu tunga Vanuatu mo Samoa, wa whitāni halo tūru, a tau whakoloanga lalu ke utakehe te koloa nei, mai he te whakoloa. Kai whakaonga i whuki, whalua tau koloa ne hanghang taki ke lata mo e tau kai motu. Ahai e o moianga mai he whai whenonga wewe he motu, ke ha taki atu ki olo tūre tau tangata whenonga mai ke he motu. Ka koe matakau he tau pisinesi, tau whahi takatakai motu, whahinga huwhanua toa kaumuseka, tau se alo tūre tau haluanga whakako mai tau tangata. Kau whataha i whoki e matakau o matawhua, ha koe halo tūre tau haluanga hua, manako ke iloha tau tangata e tūhanghang ke lea kai ke kua tōnu e tau plastiki ke he towhia mai mamasi ai e tau manutahi. Ko whitāni whalo tau whalikoloa he motu, he kamata alo tūra tau whakatokanga ke utakehe po ke tutungi he tau tangata ka eke ko whakaonga plastiki, koe whalu whalikai, kua lali whoke alo tūra ke tukutuku he whopo ke whakaonga he tau plastiki. Koe lakaanga nei, mai ke e niwe ke tūmau, e whuwhuala, mo e tūmitaki whoke te koloa ke whunua, o e tuwhia. Niue is about to phase out and ban single-use plastic bags within the next 12 months. Plastic bags pollute land and waterways, are made from non-renewable resources that contribute to climate change, are harmful to wildlife and marine life, human health, and also costly to clean up after. Other islands in the Pacific, like Vanuatu and Samoa, have taken the lead in banning single-use plastics. The initiative to ban plastic bags was endorsed by Cabinet last week, and there is now a collective effort towards a more sustainable Niue. Niue Tourism will be working specifically with visitors. Meanwhile, the Department of Environment, Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries will be leading the campaign locally. Omatawhua has also rolled out campaigns online due to the impacts of plastics on marine creatures and environments. Some local businesses like Swanson Supermarket have also taken it upon themselves to start charging for the use of plastic bags that will hopefully deter people and look at alternatives like using reusable bags or boxes. This is a positive development for the island to help minimize waste. Tahe whakatātāanga ne tau sea heke he aonga tukulunga ke lata mai mailonganga he tau tūtonu he tau whānau pa ke tau tangata. Ko taha walaha ne he tau whakakuanga ne kua tau sea lo tūru tau whānau wa henga hoku mataha, mo ko tuku atu ke tae tau whakasino, mo tau sea ifu ke tau whakahoho ke lata mai aonga katoa. Hoho kua atu ke he ahui ni awhi, mo i whakatutala ke tahe tau whiaonga ne kua laumatai atu ai ke tau whakakuanga nei.
Koe human rights ka, koe tunu hia he tangata. Ke tau mena he motu mo maanga. So ko hei taha whakakuanga mahuinga ne hangao e whikau he mo tūru ki ai. So whakako whuke mo tūru e tau whanau ke he hongo furu e tau tonu hia he tau tamaka. Hongo furu e tonu hia ke. Tonu hia ke kai, tonu hia ke mga whaoa, tonu hia ke he hingoa, tonu hia ke kautū me longa atu whoki. Mo e tonu hia ke mui mawhala. Mo e tupu hake he motu mo e nā kai whai mena ke pehe kua tauta ofi. Po ke pehi hif, po ke mahani hemu atu whoki. Ako mna longa e tau puhala tau anga hemu he hako ki sia ke lalolangi. Mo atu whoki he motu he tau tōru. Sikoa lahata tau tōru mo e whakako ke tau whanau ke kaloke he mahi tau mahani hemu pihia. Koe kupu whakapapalangi hako e bullying.
Ko whai o nonuang ke lata mai tau whānau ke whakatutala ki tau matakupe he nei, ne kua lawi ai halutula tau mumui, koe kumi puhala whoki, ke kaloke he mai he tau anganga he nei, ne kua tau hele tau mumui mawhala halutulu.
Aha e kumi anga ne tau se tau whānau, ke he aonga he tau whaitapu ka mole atu, ke kisia mo i loa e tau manatu he tau whanau, hangau ia ke he alau tolu a whanua whakaako, koe whiawhia, mawhala, milino, mo e mitaki na kai e tau puhala puipuianga ke he alau tolu a tau mamui he nonofo mai he tau ahta takitaha ke whakaako ke whanua ngai. So ka eke kua oato mua ka haki whale ke he kisia e tau kumikumianga ia mo i tau tau, fulu ala whakini he kisia au, ke hako a kisianga e tau manatu e tau whanau ne whakisi. Tau atu nia mua ke kisia, tokolonga lau tolu ne pēna kai Gitagila he lau tolu mui mawhala ka pē o mai ke he tau whakakoanga whalu mga hawha he mui whalu whanau ke lau tolu. So hai ai whoki e tau puhala he aonga ne kua whita he whakatoka, mo e whai whakatutala tu mau ka hai do whi aonga ke tau puhala nei, ko hingo e tau mena kua lata ke whaholo ki mua, mo e hiki tau mena ne kua nā kai mitaki lahi he tau nei, mai ke kiskisi atu ke hiki ke he tau kahau, ke lali ke mua koe whai kihina kai ke he mui mawhala he tau whakakoanga he tau whanau.
Tala hau whianga ni kua tau se tau whakakoanga, kua lata ke whamalolo e tau tutuanga halau tolu taki toko taha.
Haia e tau puhala ke whakatutala ke tau whakau ke kai mana lahi ni ke ua mahani he motu ke he whauru, ka eke ko mai alo tolu ke tau whakakoanga. Kua mua atu e bitaki ka eke ko mai, mo e iloa alo tolu, koe o mai alo tolu ke he aonga, nā kai whaimena ke hao whie tau mumui, nā kai whaimena ke hao whie tau mana toanga, po ke hamena ta, koe o mai alo tolu ke whakako. Whakako, ke tau mena ke whakakoloa ke tau mumui ka eke kua o kehi mai ki whafu he motu, ke whakalolohi atu tau whakakoanga. Si koe taha kakano uho ia whuki tau he whakakoanga nei, ke whakako tau tamahata tolu whakako ka. Ke ua mahani he motu ke he whauru. Ke he uruahanga ha mau tolu, ke hana makau mai mo e whiawhia ke langmatai tu mau ke tau whakaholanga pihe nei, ke lata im tau whakakoanga he tau whanau. Pihia ni ke tau whaionga, mo tau whanau whuki ni, ne ko whiawhia, whakaoi ke he tau whanau, he tau wahenga whitu ke hoko ke hongo furu, ne ko whiawhia lau tolu ke kauwhalataha ke he poster competition, ke lata e me whakaholoanga nei. So ko whitai tau pali ha mau tolu he mga honi nei, mga hapunipungi nei he tuwhatuwha atu ke lau tolu. Si whakau atu ke lau tolu ka hako whuaki mai mga aho ke tā langa me tai tau whakasino nei. Ke lari ke o moi e anganga mawhala, mo e lari ke tā masi me tā hori ki lalo e mahani hemu. E uta ke he mahani hemu ia. Koe mena uka lahi he hako ki sianga ke uta kehe, mo e lari ke mou, kai koe uta ni ka ke he ki sianga he tangata, mo he hana mahani, mo e mana tuanga. Kai whakau e ko mai ke tau mga pehe ke whakako e tau whanau ho tatu, ke lari ke whaihiki mai he tau mahani pihia.
Koe tau whakakoanga penei, he tau takitaha, ko mahuinga lahi ke iloa maheno he tau whanau, halu tūrua tau tunguhia, mai mai ke whakakis manatu, po ke totoko atu, ka eke ko pai tangata ni ko lali ke utakehe e tau tunguhia ia. Students at Niue High School are learning about human rights as part of social studies, and this year there is a particular focus on bullying, something students can relate to or have encountered at some point in their lives. Bullying is the use of superior strength or influence to intimidate someone or typically force them to do something. We spoke with students yesterday to find out what they had prepared.
What we're doing today is a human rights campaign, and the purpose of this is to raise awareness against bullying, and not just raise awareness, but it's also internal assessment for level 1 social studies. And we can't carry out a report without doing this campaign. So in order to do this campaign, we have to help each other make sure that everything's successful for today. So as you can see, it's going pretty well. So setup, first off, it's the weather, because we were unsure about the weather today. So we thought that maybe if we put all the banners and the boards in the classrooms, then maybe it'll just be easier for us, so we don't have to come here and forth. And we also had the hand painting outside, so it shows that the students do support what we're doing.
The anti-bullying campaign took a whole school approach where students and teachers were encouraged to show their support throughout the day and find ways to overcome such behaviours that encroach on human rights principles.
It's a problem in our school, and I think it's never going to end, but it's also a global problem. So in order for us to lessen the number of victims that are, victims of bullying, I think simple things like this will maybe empower some students to avoid doing things to other people, such as physical bullying, cyberbullying, social bullying, or all sorts of bullying. For this day and age, especially for the teenagers being bullied, like we can say something, just speak up, don't be ashamed or don't be afraid to speak your mind or say your own personal opinions, because by them doing that, it's also empowering other kids around the world to also do the same.
For me, I would just stand up for myself, but for others, I would help them, as in give them advice to go see an elder or to search for help. I just want to add that today's been successful for us, and it was really hard working towards this, but I'm glad we got through it.
The message is clear. Bullying should not be tolerated at all levels of society. By educating children to identify these behaviours, the expectation is that they know what their rights are and question when these rights are challenged. Taham da kauni ko hoko mai New Zealand ni ha koe wholo do whio e he lalolongi ke kumi ko loa whakaperitania koe geocaching. Ne ka mata e wholoanga nei ke motu a Malika ke he hongwhumali me tau e ko moli ki tua, si tali mai mga hoia ko tupukahanga. Toko hongwhumao no le tūle tu ngāta him da kauni nei ko whenonga mai, ke watu ke he wholo dam da kau he motu, mo e whakamau hefo ka eke ke mou e tau ko loa. I loa mai koe whangwhuma whitu him da kau ke he motu, ne kua mai ke watu ki ai, si tala hawa e he takitaki him da kau. Umitakila he to whio nei ke whalewei ai me to tangata fōu, mai hoko atu fōki ke he tamu takau ne nā kai whamahani ke watu ki ai. O atu alo tūru, me whakaongai alo tūru to telefoni o ta whano, po ke tau koloa GPS ke mou e tamu takau. Ni koe whakamau hefo he mepe, koe tahana puhala nei ke whakahoho he tau tangata ke whanonga e whaewa mai ki Niue. A group of geocaching enthusiasts have come to Niue as part of a worldwide treasure hunt. 16 people from New Zealand have teamed up and made the trip to locate items that have been hidden on island. Team leader Tracy Walsh explains what the craze is all about.
Geocaching is like a worldwide treasure hunt. There are what we call geocaches all around the world, and there are about 47 on Niue. So we've come from New Zealand to find them. So geocaching is where someone will place an item. It could be a very small item or a larger item, depending on the location. And they take a reading of where they are using GPS, so the satellites, global positioning satellites, and they upload that location to the website and let other people come along and find it.
You go to the website, you download onto your GPS the coordinates for each one, and it will show up as a little box on your GPS, tell you the distance away it is, and a little arrow on the screen will show you getting closer on the map.
And then when you get to the location, if it was here, for instance, and you were told it was at the base of a palm tree, there's a couple of palm trees that you'd look at, and so you know there's always a hint of where it's hidden and how it's hidden.
For Mark and Cherie, they learned about geocaching in a newspaper article, and they have enjoyed it so much with family, they have now ventured out to join others with the same interest.
Many times. And sometimes you might subsequently find it, and sometimes you never find it. Sometimes it's missing, sometimes it's just a very tricky height. And there are some very tiny little ones, some that are disguised as a bolt, for example. It might just be a bolt, and you unscrew the bolt and the end of the bolt, and there's a little log sheet inside, and it's all sorts of different heights and levels of difficulty.
Niue has 47 items that are hidden or earth cache locations, and according to the group leader, this is a great way to make friends and discover new places. We asked the couple how they found the treasure hunts here in Niue.
Just the distances to walk, I guess. And nothing, and the Motor-C track was a bit more challenging to walk on, but apart from that, no nice easy finds anyway. But when you're walking long distances, you want it to be an easy find. When you get to the other end, you don't want to not find it. So make it worthwhile.
So
and a lot of the times it's just to bring you somewhere to see a beautiful view.
And the people that have hidden most of them on Niue know that we've all had to fly here to get here in the first place. So they've got very specific hints on how you find it when you get to the place, so that you do find it if it's unless someone's taken it by mistake or whatever. And
most of them are by a couple that have been coming to stay on Niue for 15, 16 years now, so they know where's appropriate places to put them, and nice places to take geocaches to.
The group are due to leave tomorrow, but there is no doubt there will be more adventure-seeking geocachers who may be up for the challenge. This is also another draw card for adventure-seeking travellers. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. Do join us again for our next news bulletin Tuesday next week. Benai da walatala ni mo mai galat mo FFNE amnak ni ke filwe pene ke vai te pahau ke no wa ni o ke o ke patapu ni hanga o te kiai no wa ni po.